Hello everyone. In this session, you will be having expressions which carries 2 marks in the board exam. I have uploaded around 30 questions for practice. You will find question number 29 in your question paper. When you took up your board examination English 29th question, like fill in the blanks by choosing appropriate expression given in bracket. 3 options you will be given, like as you can read this particular passage, and below 3 options like reckon up, gave up, and look over. Of these 3, you need to choose any two which are suitable in the blank. Let's have an example. The kinglet would dash. Now when you read this, go for the option. Out of 3, any 2 are correct. So obviously it's very easy to identify because just a small paragraph and 3 options are already given. The moment you read, your mind will guess it. The kinglet would look over the account. Then the second option, of his income and expenditure at the end of every year, when he noticed new items of expenditure, he would reckon up the cost of each item. Reckon up means he got angry, he becomes aggressive when he sees the new expenditure. In this way, you can try the next question. As you can see, a paragraph, then 3 options below. Okay, just pause the video as long as you need to take your time. Pause the video, think over it, and what will be the correct option, you suitable one, add it. In this way you practice yourself. If you know the answer, you just think over it and then add it. You write it somewhere, or if you think you can comment me, you can comment me. It's up to you. What do you think? You just do that. Right. So let's go ahead like this in a scenario way. The third question. In this slide, 8 questions are there, and even the next slide will be uploaded soon. In that you have rest of the questions. Hope you will be practicing all these questions. Thank you. If you like it, please share to your friends. Take care. Go to next question now. If you need some more time, you can pause the video. Let's go for the next question. Let's have one more question if you have completed the answer, and this will be your last eighth question. Options are given above: know by heart, take liberty, and make peace. These three options are given above.